In this episode of How to Fix It. After filling up at a gas station, I tried to start my scooter. However, the dashboard wasn't lighting up. I had no ignition. It was then that I realized that my horn sounded a bit weak and strange earlier. Shortly after, I pushed the scooter off the pump. I then opened the battery area located on the floorboard. After removing the battery cover and shaking the terminal a few times, ensuring that they were secured, the dashboard lit up. The scooter was good to go. The cover was secured back into place, and it was time to hit the road again. Scooter battery tips. 1. Keep the battery contacts clean. Dirt and grime can accumulate on the battery contacts, affecting performance. Clean them with a soft cloth. 2. Avoid exposing your scooter to extreme temperature, whether very hot or cold, for extended periods. 3. As best as possible, avoid hitting potholes. Potholes may shake battery contacts out of place. 4. Monitor the battery's state of charge and charge it when necessary. See you soon on the next episode of How to Fix It. Be safe out there.